Welcome back to this video. So in this video we'll walk through the image text extractor. So let's get started. Have you ever had a photo, an image of a document, or a screenshot of data that you needed to edit but didn't want to retype manually? As a member of the Amatip team, I know how frustrating that can be. Today I'm showing you the solution, which is the Amatip AI image text extractor. So accessing this tool is very simple. So right on the main dashboard, you see the image text extractor. You click on it. Then it will take you to this page where we have extract text from image, where you can upload your image. So next you click to upload on image this, you click on that. So it will take you to this where you can actually upload any image of your choice. So let's click on this and click on open. So it's uploading. Okay, it has been uploaded. So afterwards, if that's not the image you want to upload, you click on this delete button here. You can delete, you can remove the file. So after that, you click on the scan. So once you click on this scan, it will scan all the text from the image that you uploaded. As you can see here, it has extracted all the text. So here we have blockchain can be integrated into existing system. So blockchain can be integrated into existing systems. This study can help e-commerce business enhance their operations, reduce fraud, and build customer trust. So these are the extracted text. So from here, you can click on the copy, it will copy, and also you can click on the download, it will download it as a text file, as you can see here. So that's that. So after uploading, you click on this scan button, it will help you to scan all the text in the image uploaded. So that is how you use the image text extractor. So thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. The image text extractor is just one way we are helping you to work smarter with the Amatip digital box. So try it out today and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.